twaranire no bichichia Meru TV na Theri FM wakaigwa kuri nonto bote okugweria kuma kire programu ire igwetaruone na ndi no tume maoni yaku gukurokira email yetu iria ni merutv-complaint-center@gmail.com kana turingire thimo gukurokira 0114 190 962. Meru TV, kionere mwanya.
Ketheka sana kethi cia muthenya ntuku ya Jumaine tariki 16 cia mweri yo 12 mwaka no yo turi yo 2025 mbetikire ko watewe ni akirethe to cia Meru TV tha muwanja ni wambita muthoni wa kiramana itana mbere na ututhia tira na kinyo twarire kini mitandao yetu ya ukinyaniria Facebook na kinya YouTube Meru TV Kenya amuna kinyo tuthia tira kiri Signet na Pang Meru TV kenda kugwata mantu kathomba urayo tunduka Meru na kinya ome ya Meru. County Commissioner wa county ya Tharaka Nithi jikene ya David Gitonga na jumirite na kuria kari amuna kinya mandereba akuba kuthira kimenyera kaitene ka kathionku wa kiarire mandereba mno na bori tobe kuthira bakithia tira mawatho ya barabara kenda gutigiro temituno ya barabara ikwithire kioneka kaitene ka kathionku riboti mwandiki wetu wa Ndeto Ndagara Waiguna.
County Commissioner wa Tharaka Nithi Bwana David Gitonga na atongorete mutemani wa kwariria manto megio karia bachuka university riri wandini akaringani chuka gamba ng'ombe.
The planned a meeting here with the university and the local community, the lad-readies and ladrons, business people within this Dagani area. And the key issues we are trying to look at is the security of the area, safety of the students, and ways and means in which we can be able to improve issues like lighting, fight things like illicit brews, counterfeits, and theft of gadgets like laptops and other things.
Biashara bandagani bari bamo bagikaro giki orugamiri wa university amuna atongoria bandu angi mwanya chiokaria.
We can say all is well. We've agreed on the way forward, like issues of zoning of the areas, reporting certain issues, and I think we've agreed to be holding quarterly meetings with the fraternity so that we can be able to see whether what we agreed on has been implemented, any emerging issues that need to be addressed, and the challenges encountered in implementing some of the
Gagitonga getomera kanya gakakuria kari kwemenyera mono kagitani gakakathigonko na ciari kureithiria mithiera ya nabao.
Continue maintaining peace in the county and to tell them that we are prepared to secure them during this festive season, and also request them to ensure that they provide information to us so that we can be able to partner, as we cannot be able to do it alone. Further, I would also like to take this opportunity to request the parents to take care of their children during this festive season. This is the time when we get some various challenges when people relax on certain issues.
Miariano kiwatambari munene wa Boris County ya Tharaka Nithi Bwana Zakia Zingeno akiroma mandereba kwemenyera barabarani.
We're still going on. The program is started and it is ongoing, whereby we have all officers, and these are part of what our arrangements are, because we know that several people will travel, others to the county and others out of the county, and we are calling upon them to make their more so their premises safe. Likewise with motorists and any other person who will use any appliance to travel, to be very careful to make their vehicles roadworthy and to caution them that they should not be moving with vehicles that are unroadworthy all around, because they'll be moving out with mobile mortuaries if they are using unroad.
Kumachuka kama ng'ombe kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi nikiripotera Meru TV rĩtũka Ndagara Waiguna.
Iboya muno mwandiki wetu wa Ndeto Ndagara Waiguna ntubo twambiriria riboti cia Meru TV thaa mugwanja na njira ikinyanilite nthiguru ya Kenya nithirite rombete ankuluki ya trilioni inya kwa kaita kuma mwaka yongirire 20 mweri-ini jwa inana mbeca icio mbetu kwithira tikirombo ne nditiro mbicha guchokia kana cia kuria marando yara yangi yo mbetu kwithira ina yo endu nendo ntubu tumite nthiguru ya Kenya ikomba kwithira ina minthi kiuchumi ntubura botuma Kenya mukari wa kawaida akethire kulukira kaita kakaumu.
Kenya has borrowed close to 4 trillion shillings in the last 3 years and 2 months. And according to the rules of Kenya, the money we borrow should go directly into capital expenditure, which is development. So before we launch grandiose plans of trillion funds, can we first face Kenyans, and can the government face Kenyans and tabulate how they have used the 4 trillion Kenya shillings Kenya has borrowed in the recent past? And I've put it into context. I'm repeating it because it doesn't seem real, but it is the reality. That the 4 trillion Kenya shillings Kenya has borrowed is enough to have made education free, both basic and tertiary. And the change that remains, even if we divide out of the 290 constituencies, we should be having 12 billion worth of completed projects across the country. 12 billion worth in every constituency means 100 kilometers of road in every constituency in Kenya at 70 million per kilometer. That is highway standards. We should be having a 1 billion worth of a water project, a 1 billion worth of an irrigation project. We should be having over 200 schemes completed, electricity rectification schemes, and still we'll be remaining with change. If we can't explain to Kenyans the money that has already passed through the government hands where it has gone, what is the business then of coming to again sell grandiose plans of trillions of shillings when we can't account for what we have already received, and especially through borrowing alone. And lastly, out of the close to 4 trillion Kenya shillings we have borrowed, everything that Kenyans are seeing is not part of that money. Every ongoing road project in Kenya, especially completion of the road projects that are ongoing, that's a separate loan called securitization, which is illegal. When you see stadiums being constructed in Kenya, that is also not part of this 4 trillion. That's another borrowing called Talanta Board. When you hear about a program called Nyota, the one for alleviating unemployment in terms of the youth, that's also not part of that money. That's money we are receiving from World Bank. So Kenyans deserve to know, before you tell us about trillion funds that you want to launch, can we first account for the 4 trillion Kenya shillings the country has borrowed in the recent past? Very lastly, it is important for us to be data-driven as leaders. You know, we keep saying that 10,000 kilometers of roads were constructed from 2013 to 2012 in Kenya. That is incorrect. And I would challenge the government to actually tabulate the roads that we keep hearing of 10,000 kilometers of road. Because I know, and I have the data, it is less than a third of that. And I also want to put it very clearly. And anyone with a conflicting facts can table them. I have said that, and I have stated that we have borrowed close to 4 trillion Kenya shillings. But if you fast check, you do fact finding, how many kilometers of road has Kenya built from 2022 to date? And especially from newly signed contracts. newly signed, it is less than 1,200 kilometers across the country. It is less than 1,200 kilometers of tarmac road we have built from 2012 to today out of newly signed contracts. So my challenge is accountability. Before we talk about trillion shillings plans and funds, it is important we put into context to Kenyans that you have already borrowed 4 trillion shillings, and Kenyans deserve to, that money to be accounted for. And that is my challenge. That I hope in the launch of that fund, the first preamble will be about being accountable for the amount of money Kenya has borrowed, because this is the burden for Kenya.
Ayuthi bakumanterecia bore batongerete ni musiasa ukumenyekana ya Steve Kanyanyi bachumirite na kutharikira anene atongire barabetete na mbere na kumba kwithira bakiringa siasa chetu tamuno au kaunti-ini ya Meru bakiwa nende akira bakwenda kumakire murengo ya tutamu ni witi na mbere na kinya gutigira awiti na mbere bukomba kwithira bukioneka kaunti-ini ya Meru na muno gicigo mbunge kia Nterecia bure bakiare na muthoro ibonekete bakimeneria nene ngavana wa Meru Mutuma Ntwethingi bakiwa nende uterero bure no karutete na mbere na kumba kwithira rukirumirwa ni wagibo ukari na kinya wambano kabwithite na mbere na kumba kwithira bwitamba ruterero no tibwo akubwithia riboti mwandikito wa Ntheto Mwende Olaibone.
Bakiaria atongeria baba mbeo mbethikirwe na riba batanirete na musiasa Steve Kanyanya norane mukari wa nari ni bagutaririo rabatejanirwe ni atongeria kiriwiti na mbere kuntuku bakiwa kuma beo bathura ni batonyere siasa na baraulwa ni kurita ngui.
Twina legislators bara twathurire from the MCAs to MPs, woman rep, governor kenda beta gututetera na kenda bekira policies iri cibataritie kwithirwa cirio injaga ira ciumba gututethia batibona ndi betire baratonyana na thirikari, baratonyana na Ruto, baratonyana na Kindiki, baratonyana na CSs bau barori batu wananchi baratwabekire itene amburikanie batu twaburingire kura no bubukejo gutuchwa anto bau na ndibu kuina thaiji bukona jakabe na maana mono kibabu ya tigara mieri ngano na abuma no nabo buchoke ground nabo bugichoka buchoke buji to bweterete aje uju barabara iji bwatu airiria bukathithia butirathithia bwatu irire bugekira ruji butirekira ibwatu irire ndamu bugatuthithia guteo burathithia ibwatu promise rami guteo burekira ibwatu irire ana bakatho motheri thaiji fees ikongereka ana bande school bambirite gwita kuria ngiri 12 kuma January kuma kingirinya ira barareaga
ankuga tongeria bara twi nabo igitene riri ni antu bo very buru and ugo ndina experience kuma iguru mwankare tukinyite thaiji kirima MCA gutengo gitwiteri buru atongire beto baguriro bekiro meuko ngugi ayu karaba kiuga two term no ndogo benefit bakona kumania na atongeria bara nene baritene eji barabara bukona njira eji urekari kuma Murinya othe we kwejaja uka connect na barabara eu ukaumira Kirua tekiniko na aria imaiga tupu batu tuteta na ngari naja kanisa chiongo tweta maguru gutenjera gutembi
tukwigwa bwa kana onto kuinya iratu tutiomba gwikira na imaiga na batu tuthurene itwarite raintia kuringa kura twaye iriwa tware wo impara no te maendeleo tukuona kabisa batu zanto babethe itubangite otiumeria tutara tongeria bare bagatutethia bare bagatuthithiria barabara cietu tumbe gwikira iratu bire gwikira inzuki yetu tetumira na raba tukaraza batu tutina tongeria na
Nkoloki Steve na tharikirite ngavana wa kaunti ya Meru Mutuma Ntwethingi akiwa kinya nyuma yawe kwithira na kuona kuteno kario amo na mpara bore weno siasa cia tuta mwararingana ate kunoana na ntu babore
county na national beyond biagwatanire bira beyond biothe thaiji ungi turareterwa aje uju etindainite nteto je tutamu aje ninyo amuri mbia kunira tutamu atiuga na ndicho araugaga murukomen ina bairiria abera security nijite kwija kutethia na arora nto bakura kwa ng'ombe ikiawa arafu kanyuo kau akithira second mwaka uga ende okeria ni biara biere buge tutamu anta weto bakiura kwa bekuja impara batena roji kaba kura kwa narora imbading tichia ng'ombe eno no twira tuge tutamu biara bi Ntwethingi kwa gathogania bia bio kana tumenye bwa bio twitwi
bakirikia ne baukererete mumbungu wa Borere Ndikiri Mugambi nikira bakwa kuma beo muthura na ulirwa ne akariba kuntuku akiwa kaita nikeyite mtu akamate mutharaba yowe na kura iriringwa kuringana na ngwira mtu aritete
uria wika twina kene nya mutongerio twa twinwa na yo nguge wera nene igwita gwita nguo nara na nyuki gonia kionjuri ura nguchita babwega na jo choka na angi na gwate maguru na mirite muntu na tia murungu na gutinda arumite antu banaria yake bera atikinya nari inyo tu gwenda nari mbio jirite to etu iyo akinya utuke to gwenda weja guthia na
tari Ndikiri vitisho twa barabara gitimene kweja kirua eti maendeleo anga twa kethera tutekira na jaikoti mau na ikeno ntu inora miche ikerue chukuru ne raiterwe kirua tekene ko batiko tore kolimo no lakini na nganganere amantu ja wararo wajo araikia angai mukiria angai karumo angai na so katukwenda kuga atire tamuga ite kuthira kutengo gitwiteri buru ende ja batu tore antu babethi 2027 ndebene tuketa ndebene na kura na tukaringira tongeria para bakomba gwitira antu babure ngugi.
Kiripotera Mero TV kuma Bore Mbita wa Mwende wa Laiboni.
Ibaye muneo mwende wa Laiboni na ndubari boti na njira ya ukinyanilia atumire kumantereche yembe rungura mwamburi yo kumenyekana ya Igembe Pastors Network ibachumirite na kumba kwithira bakimene na kuriana na rwari rwethirete rugite na mbere ro kanisa akumba kwithira baitunywa mainya ya kwirwa mira baibongo bakiuria rais Ruto akumba kwithira gikira saini rwari runtu rugatuma kwithira nende kanisa gutina aitiki kwa nkuruki bameneretie makareka yethirite kareka munontereche yembe yegie wa Gibudhoni acheri bakiurwa bamenyere anabo bari na kinyana batuije batikethira bagichunkumania na mitugo imithuku. Riboti ya mwandiki wetu Wanthe Tukome wa Mutia.
Kanisa ni murungu na ete minya kuregulatwa
eturiro mauta bangai kuma mwirio yoembe rungurwa mwaburi yoegembe Pastors Network ni baituritie ruare kumeneria ruaria rwitithitu na mbere mbunge nene na ruo rwawikira mawatho nkuluki kiri makanisa noyanisa na araba kwa mawatho ya ni ya kuinyilia makanisa mantone ya konie witithia mbere ntumiri ya baba.
Number 1 bingwereretwe na bitu enderete ruteto rwa murungu ni kwamba Biblia iteta kiutati na sheria imbinge cianthi so kuwa eno mwanka thirikari yingilie kanisa itebera ubakethia kenda bamenya ukumiri into binge na byo tutumba kwethwa tukimenya imbi binge bomba kwenda kwethwa bakiukumira cia hiyo tunakataana nao kama Igembe Pastors Network tunakataana na hiyo na mbunge wenthe ora kana senator kana kiongozi wenthe uroka uwetikaniria na biuka noro wa itakweria kuinyelia kanisa na jireu aminye kanisa ya Igembe na Meru County yonthe na Kenya kwa jumla, kwa sababu tuko na maushirika mpaka kupanda juu nationally, wajue ya kwamba sisi tuko kanisa tuko kinyume na hiyo bill, na kanisa inaweza ikanjiregulate yenyewe
ya kabubutea ni mababa kola ni bameneretie no kira muma kauruko kanto mono ciana nyi na cingite muno mwiri yoembe na rabakuwa asiari baindoke bamenyere na ne bathirikari nabo baikunithi wenthe wati kwa enyengitia na nyike watho
tubangire 26 onto bubu kwa ibo thuku na onto buti bobwea na mantu ya kuoneka embe te mantu ya meitu batu ya karira ndeto gori atiri ninge embe twina nene twina nyumba 10 twina thirikari twina jimbo nongataka kuthaba watanirite rimwe nteto ini kuwatana rimwe ni ukaraga ikuwatana na nene riri kuingi ao na nene bareo biatiri kwina nyumba 10 kwina jabujibo nata mwana mbotano nteto ekare akumenyeka ko nteto ino mwanka antu bare bare banene bambe anene DCC ndio county commissioner bambiri gukumira nteto hii kenda nteto hii chomba kumenyana ate chomba kurierua nonto ni aibo twetangaza wadene Kenya ati ndene yembe ikwana ba utano iko muntu antu ba ukira bakawata antu mwanja bakaribu muntu umwe bakaribu muntu muka hiyo itabia mbaya
na kirimanto ya koni ndwasia kimisi na araba kwa kinyaro mibakuro na bakaria kuwa eturo mauta baba ngai bariwa
kiromba arume tafadhali akuorwa meko mucio akira turage batu kinya batu turarume na inkoromba arume tubwethie miungano yetu nya batura ekoro bakuthithia wara akuthithia babo bwaciona kuraya.
Nkiripotera Meru TV kumembe mbita wakome wa mutia.
Na tukita na mbere eza karigitonga uru no mwa baraba betukwira baite yuani rais Ruto na arurite riukuri yawe na aranende akiari yukunere yawe arabete tukibete bombe kwithira bagicumire na kurutana na kuruki kwithira bena wetere gukwinge kenda gutigirira to bibi kumba kwithira abiekinyanira kibaromba baraba na kosi achio bundi babe kwithira bagicyandika baibongo erenjere mwe ya kumba kwithira baitira wagibongo ebote kweta na mbere na kwithira bukiongeleka nthigurune ya Kenya mutugi wa Kiambi aina riboti.
Tabu niliandika kama celebration of my civil service work wakati nimemaliza kazi kwa serikali, na nikaona watu wengi sana wakimaliza tour of duty hakuna story wanaandika. Sasa nikaona hii kitabu itanipatia vile nilikuwa nimefanya kazi pahali nimefanya.
Kiri mambura ya kuruguria makuja za Karegetonga uria wikiritwe thumbini rais ya Head of State Commendation na utumikirite thirikari wa ngurukia miaka 30 maukuja vejari ja wikira ntu inya muno kiri muturire jwawe na uria utumikirite thirikari.
Kitabu ya inspiring ni kitabu ya kutia watu moyo, kama mtu afanyi vizuri, kama mwanafunzi afanyi vizuri shuleni, kama kuna changamoto nyumbani, kama pahali the environment unakaa si mzuri, ama kunakuwa na shinda ya fees ama changamoto yoyote, hii kitabu inatakiwa ikuweke nguvu, kwa sababu ukiangalia maisha yangu ni maisha ya kuonyesha vile mtu ameanza from humble beginnings with a lot of challenges, lakini mwishowe climb all the ranks mpaka ukafika pahali umefika, na mpaka mtukufu rais akaonelea nipe hiyo award ya End of State Commendation.
Zakare na ngerekano njega muno ya antu bara bagwita nguginde ya thirikari arituba thirikari tugitara mantu amaingi muno ithu toma kuandika mantu ja tuyeka yukune antu bathoma pomba kuona kweli no umekuraja inye nala tubite gothoro nyumite gontu guciomba
kuringana Zakari beumbithi ni baburite kugia umiriria muno kiri muturire akibaromba kinya kuepukana na njira cia mugito.
Ukijaribu kuandika siri ya kuandika kitabu yote, unatakiwa uwe mvumilivu, upate hiyo patience, na ujue safari ndefu uanza na hatua moja. Hawa vijana wandogo wanatakiwa wajue hakuna success unaweza pata mara moja. It requires, ama inahitaji mtu awe mvumilivu na azikakamue, aendelee na kufanya kazi na kazi mzuri, na mwishowe atapata matunda. Lakini hakuna shortcut, kila mtu anajitahidi afanye bidii, na akifanya bidii mwishowe ile hera ama what God has planned for you mwishowe utapata.
Mwena bubu Zakari na rombete ashiri kumenyera na bao muno kagita kabare rodha.
Tunaomba wazazi wakae na watoto wao, kwa sababu kitengere moja ya simbi hii ni parental obligation. Wawe na watoto, wawatunze, wawe na nidhamu mzuri, wawe na very good morals, na wapewe counseling mzuri. Sasa naomba wazazi wakati huu si waachie jukumu yote mwalimu, ni wakae na watoto, wajua hata wao wako na majukumu ya kulisa watoto wao, watoto wanaotia sheria na wanazingatia maadili vile inatakiwa.
Kwa tu iraciari bacho mona kuthomithia na bao chiomie nyotho tena gintu mwana musukumera kumbika na ntuko cherojo kaguro muciari no ntukithomo ikyo mamuta ko mara tingi kithura ala tingi umaketha tikuthoma kwa thomete kendo mokinya ndo angine tariri ko tu kire kithomo manani muno tuchumie.
Kiripotera Meru TV kuma gicigo bunge kia North Imenti Mbita Mutugi.
Igiloketa ndeka 23 akinyume thaa mwanja cia muthenya kumba kwithira chiro amambitikire ngucokere nkatho muno no ntubo tuthiatira kirindeto cia Meru TV thaa mwanja itana mbere na kututhia atana ndo mibango kathombe rimbe tukithire gikwiyira yuri mubango ya tutemesha yiro kombo kuthiro kiretura ni impress Susiba rina ndani the dreams kenda utira ando kuba kuthiro gitana mbere na kunogora mbaru wabeta muthoni wa kiramana tutirimane tukero yukire mubango ya the wave.